Good morning guys, you know what, today, since yesterday when I arrived, I don't have internet connection. I don't know, maybe because of the very strong wind that is happening outside. Look at that. That was started yesterday. Actually, yesterday there is something like a dust storm. If you compare that to Dubai, sandstorm. I remember that whenever there is sandstorm in Dubai, if you're outside, you're going to inhale the small particles of sand, and you will feel it into your mouth. Yeah. Look at this. They just put a new sand, like a very small stones, rocks, and they put it all over the road. So basically it looks like they put the asphalt and then they put the gravel, the sand. Yeah, and you know, some parts the sand is moving, but the parts where the cars are always passing, it's already very tight. Yeah, this is how they do that here. Yeah, it is just actually at home that I don't have internet connection, but here I have, because you know I have a pocket Wi-Fi and I carry it everywhere, and here I have internet connection. I'm actually streaming the music from Apple Music. Yeah, look at that, very strong wind. You can see the waves. Good morning guys. Today I am going to fix this bike by myself. It's been 2 weeks since I brought it to the bike shop and they didn't able to fix. Removing the front wheel is very easy because it's a quick release. The back one is very difficult. There are so many things here that needs to be removed. This is very much worn out compared to this one. And this is the wheel that I am going to put. I am thinking of just cut this and paste it here. Is that possible? And this is the most difficult part, removing the tire. I removed this tire before because there is a punctured and I fixed that. But yeah, you know, I broke this. If you notice, this is already broken. And this one is still good. Yeah, this is very cheap in coming from Kmart. I think it's $5. When I went to the bike shop, they are unable to take this out, take this off. Yeah, I explained to them that, yeah, but I already removed that last time. It just take me 3 hours. And they said, yeah, that's the problem. I don't have 3 hours. Already put it inside like that. And it will keep on going. Nice. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, already. Yeah, remove. I just keep on going and it will be done. Yeah, we're going first to the grocery to buy, to buy some stuff. Also this one is small, and I think the landlord is still sleeping. Yeah, last time I borrowed the size 16, 17 from them. Yeah. Wow, it's driving fast. You know, when you are wearing this kind of hat, yeah, I feel that it is better than sunglasses because, you know, you see things clear and still you are protected from the sun. Also your skin, especially this. Yeah, I canceled my Apple Music account. Yeah, because you know, I realized that I'm not really listening to new music. I keep on listening to, you know, the old, my favorite music. Yeah, so yeah, I'll be saving now around $9 every month. I don't have much responsibilities about paying things. Yeah, just the usual important things. No gym membership, no club membership, no, you know, subscription. Yeah, just the mobile subscription that I have, the postpaid plan. And I am again listening to, you know, Spotify, the free one with the commercial. I'm going to buy this one. It's $6. They don't have this kind of tool in Walmart, so I am going out to Salamander Bay Shopping Center, but the bus will go there by 9:30. The time now is 9 o'clock. So yeah, we will be roaming around here first. Do you know that it is not allowed to bike here in this area of Albura Marina? So what I usually do is just I walk holding my bike. Wow. Look at those are big fish. This looks like an aquarium, huh? If you see those are big fish. We are now here in Salamander Shopping Center. I am not going to eat in McDonald's, also not in this Thai restaurant. If I am going to eat, I'll be eating in KFC. Oh, look at this. Going to Brisbane is $82 one way. Going to Bali is $535. Hong Kong $588. Wow, look at this. This is affordable. Espresso machine, coffee machine, $89. This is what I'm looking for, or something like this. This is $35, almost complete. Maybe I just take this one, $8. I think I'm going to take this one. It's just $3. Yeah, because I think if this one will not work, I will just borrow from my landlord. Oh, this bike looks good, looks simple. Yeah, it's also powered by Shimano. Just $109. Yeah, if you remember, this is my bike before. I have this bike for around 3 months. Yeah, $129. Very small. I realized that it is very small when I have my big bike. You know, the grocery cart, the shopping trolley here in Australia are still free. Yeah, if you see this, they are still free. You don't need to put any coins in here. Yeah, if you compare that to Dubai, in Dubai, most of the shopping mall trolleys, you need to pay 1 dirhams. And here there are people, they are putting their, you know, their glass bottles, and they will get that 10 cents for every container. That's the proper way of recycling. Amazing. The view at the McDonald's is better. Nice seat, you see everything. Nice view. But I am going to eat in a KFC. There is no nice view. You just see the walls. Look at this. They broke it. Yeah, this is now the price of the petrol here in Australia, particularly in Caltex. I have no idea how it works. Yeah, and I'm going to continue repairing this bike. Yeah, I am the one who fixed this. Yeah, both of these tires have been punctured, and I am the one who fixed it. That's why I know how difficult it is to take out this wheel from the rim. Yeah, this is the other one. You put it side by sides, you will notice that the new one is smaller. The width compared to this is much bigger. Now this one is done. All I need to do is to put it in the back of the bike.